Hi students, a very pleasant and warm greetings to you all. Hope you are doing good. Last session we have seen about working with tables, find and replace, spell check and all. And in this session we are going to see about enhancing and printing a document in this OpenOffice Writer, right? Enhancing a document means we are going to improve the look or we are going to insert some other things to enhance the document or the text, right? So here first we are going to see about inserting pictures. Okay, here in this OpenOffice Writer we can insert any type of images which is present in the computer. We'll have some sample images, right? Or we can download the image from Google or some search engine, and we can insert that also inside our text document. Okay, we'll see how to insert pictures inside the document. To insert an image, first you have to select the place where we have to insert that particular picture, right? For that you have to just click the cursor once inside that text document at which place we need the particular image. Okay, and then we have to go to insert. From insert you have to select picture menu. From when you click the picture menu, a dialog box will be opened in your window. In that dialog box, you can just select from which folder or from which drive you need the picture, and you can just open it, and down you will have a open button. When you just click on that open, the selected picture will be inserted in your document, right? And then next one is about inserting special characters. Special characters means we'll have some symbols in our keyboard, right? We'll have slash, hash, some dot or colon, semicolon. These characters and all we'll have in our keyboard. Other than this, we'll have some special characters like alpha, beta, pi, and many other special characters are there, right? So to insert this special character the same way as we did for the inserting pictures, first you have to place the insertion pointer in the document where the character must appear, and then you can go to insert, and from the insert menu you can just click on the special characters. Okay, then the special character dialog box will be opened. From there you can just select which character you need, right? If you don't need a particular special character you want, you can try to change the font selection, and it will give you the particular character which you are expecting, and then at last you can click OK, so that that special character will be inserted in your document, right? And the next one is, we can insert shapes. Okay, to insert shapes you can go to uh, you will have the drawing tool. If you are not having the drawing tool in your window, you can go to view menu, and there you will have toolbars. In that you will have an option like drawing. If you click on that, this drawing toolbar will be displayed. From there you can just insert. How will you insert? You can just select the tool which you need from this drawing toolbar, and you will have a crosshair pointer. You can just move the pointer to the place in the document where you wish to keep that particular shape or particular object, right? And then you can just click the mouse and you can draw it. You can just click the mouse and drag the mouse uh, in the shape which you need, right? You have selected the shape from the toolbar, the drawing toolbar, and then you have to place the mouse or the arrow in the place where you need that shape or that object, and you can just click it and drag it in the height or how much width you need. In that much you can drag the mouse and you can release the mouse button. The selected drawing will be active. It will be inside the document, right? To cancel the selected drawing function, you can just press the escape key, or you can just select click on that select icon in the drawing toolbar, right? You can now fill this image shape also. You'll have so many shapes. maybe if you are taking a star shape and if you are drawing a star shape here, you can just fill this, or you can just select the line type, the border type, or you can change the width, or you can change the border color or the color which the star is filled with. These all the options will be inside this drawing object properties, right? This drawing object properties or the choices will be in the dialog box itself, right? Next one is about inserting auto text. Okay, auto text means this allows you to assign a text or a table or a picture or it's like a graphics and any other item to a key or a key combination. For example, if you see, if you are typing Tamil Nadu, every time when you use that Tamil Nadu, you can just if you want to type Tamil Nadu, you no need to type that fully. You can just type TN and then you can press F3, automatically that will be changed, right? That is used as a tip. Okay, to assign auto text, the shortcuts, let's see, we are having some shortcuts also. You have to type the text into our document and then you have to select the text so that the text will be highlighted, and then we can go to edit menu and click auto text, right? Or in the keyboard shortcut means you can just click the control key and F3 key, right? And then you can just enter a name for the shortcut, or for Tamil Nadu means you can just type TN there. Okay, that will be the shortcut for the particular word. Any word you can give any shortcut as we wish, right? So click on the arrow, inverted arrow in the auto text button on the right, and then you can select new, and from there you can just give that text only from that menu, and then click close to return to your document, right? Once this entry is created inside this auto text, that wherever you place the you can just place the cursor somewhere, and if you can just click Control and F3, then select the name from the list of entries and you can click insert, so that text will be inserted automatically. This is auto text, right? And next one is about page preview settings and printer and how to print a document. This is what you are going to see here. First, previewing a page. That means we are writing something or we are typing something in a document. You have to just see how it looks. That is preview, right? This is the good practice to preview the document before taking the printout. So that we'll get the idea. When you take a printout without previewing, we don't know where this text is present in the document. It may be in the left side, or it may be aligned in the right side, or it may be in the center. We'll have much space in the bottom section or in the top section. So to align that or to give a good look, it is better to see this preview before taking a printout, right? For this, you can go to File, and there you will have an option Page Preview, right? Or you'll have the Page Preview icon also. If there is many pages, all the pages will be previewed in your window, in your screen. It will be displayed, and you can just when you see itself, you can find out whether it is aligned properly or whether any spacing is present, other than you will be expecting the text in one portion of the document or the page, right? If you want to move it, or if you want to keep that in the center, you can just check it, right? Before taking the printout, you can just check it whether it is present in the correct position which you expect, right? Next one is so the preview will be there, and if you want to close it, the close option will be there near the menu bar, right? You can just close that preview button, and this preview will be closed, and a normal text document in first when you opened you had a text document, right? In that manner itself the page will be viewed again. And the next one is about setting the printer and about printing, right? To set a printer, first you have to go to File and then go to Print, or the keyboard shortcut is Control button and P. Control plus P for printing, right? Control and P, or go to File and take uh, select the option called Print, or print file icon will be there. You can just click that also, so that this print dialog box will be appeared. Here first you'll have an option called general. In this general tab, you can select the printer from the list of printers. If your computer is connected with 4 or 5 printers, all the options will be there in that drop down box, right? So you can just click the arrow in the right side of that name, so that all the printers name, the list of printers will be displayed there. You can just select the required printer in which you have to print, right? And then under the range and copy section, you can select all pages option if you want to print all, or if you want to print only one page, you can just select that particular page from that pages option, right? And then you have to specify the number of copies which you need. Here you'll have an option called number of copies. Here if you need 1 copy, you can give 1, or if you need 10 copies, you can give 10. That's according to your wish, right? So after setting this, you can just click on the print button in the bottom, right? Here you'll have print and cancel. If you want to print it, you can just click on this print, or you can just click on the cancel, right? That's all. Then the document will be printed there, right? That's all about printing a document. Printing a document is very easy only. And we have come to the end of this document. That means we have learned about this word processor, right? About this open office writer. Here in this open office, what all we have seen? We have seen about open office writer. How to download this open office package or this open office writer, and how to open open office window. And we have seen about this title bar, menu bar, what are the menus, icons present in this window. Right, we have seen about the toolbar, formatting toolbar, and standard toolbar and all. And we have seen how to enter a text inside this, how to save a document, how to close a OpenOffice Writer document, or how to open an existing document. And we have seen about the Tamil interface or the Tamil typing, how to edit in a document, how to select, copy, move, or cut in a document, how to paste it, that and all we have seen. And we have seen the formatting text and paragraph options. We have seen how to change the font style, font size, font color, and we have seen how to align a document, how to change case, how to highlight the text. And we have seen about line spacing also. Line spacing, how will you space the line gaps, the gaps between each lines, a gap between each words, this and all we have seen. We have seen about bullets and numbering. And then we have seen about page orientation, page colors, page border, header, footer. And next we have seen about find, replace, and spell check, right? How you know how to replace a text, or you can find a text from a big document, and you can just check the spelling and you can correct it. And then we have seen about working with tables. And today we have seen about enhancing and printing a document, right? So you would have got the clear idea about this open office writer, right? In this in your book page number 97, they have given some workshops. If you can just read it and try to do that, okay? And the shortcuts and all the keyboard shortcuts they have given in page number 98 in your book. Just go through it. Some shortcuts will be very easy. That means for copy, Control C. For italics, Control I. For bold, Control B. So that word itself will be the shortcut. Control plus that word's first letter. Those things and all, it will be very easy. So just go through this. Whatever is easy, just mark it and learn it down. Right? This Unicode Tamil keyboard typing chart are also given here in page number 99. Right? Just see that. For in Tamil, if you want to type A, you can just, the Unicode is A. A means it is AA. Likewise, for all the Tamil text, they have given the Unicode there in page number 99, and they have given some workshops for you. You can, if you can, you just try that exercise part also, right? And about the word and meaning, the glossary section is there in page number 101, right? 101. You just go through that also. Make sure you are clear with this open office writer. Okay, so it will be easy when we are moving to the open office calci section. Open office calci is like calci means what you know. Calci is a calculator, right? So we can you would have heard about in Word, in Microsoft Word and all. We are having Excel, right? Likewise, in this open office writer, we have open office calci. This is used to do some calculations, or this will make you um, your job very easy to find, to give a chart or to do a total calculation or to take an average. Likewise, all the calculations you can make easy in this open office calci. Okay, to learn this open office calci, first you have to be clear with open office writer, right? So that you know how to type a text, how to make it bold, how to change the font color, or how to change if you are having that basic knowledge, if you are knowing that OpenOffice writer thoroughly, it will be very easy to learn this OpenOffice Calci, right? Next chapter is OpenOffice Calci only. We are going to work with this OpenOffice Calci. So make sure if you haven't read it before, you just make sure today itself you just take the book and take page number 67. From that page, they have given about OpenOffice packages and about the word processor, OpenOffice writer. Each and every windows they have given a screenshot in your book. You can just read the description which is given above or below that particular screenshots, and when you see the screenshot itself, you will get the clear idea about this OpenOffice Word, right? If you are clear with this OpenOffice Word, it will be very easy to study the next chapter OpenOffice Calci. That means if you are having the basic knowledge to type in a document, in a text document, in the next Calci section, in this OpenOffice Calci, in this next chapter, you can just have to learn the calculation, how to do the calculation in that, right? Or else from the first itself again you have to learn when you are doing working with this OpenOffice Calci, right? This OpenOffice Calci, the page will be like some rows and columns, it will be there, right? You would have seen the Excel sheets, same like that Excel sheet. Here in this OpenOffice we have OpenOffice Calci, right? Here we'll have many cells, many rows and columns, so that it will be easy to do our calculations, right? Mm, Other than you can just insert table in Word, right? In the same way, here if you are willing to do a timetable, or if you are willing to do a report card, means this will be very easy, right? When you are giving the all the subject marks here, automatically we can take the total with a single click, right? If you are clicking, you'll have the sum button, means you can just select the marks, and if you are clicking the sum, automatically the total will be displayed in the next cell, right? Likewise, if you are having hundred or thousands of mark list also, you can just do it in the same way. You can just drag it and make that total um, appear there in a single click, right? In this, if you are doing the same thing in Word or in some normal text document, means each one you have to total it in your own, right? You have to enter all the marks in calculator, or you can have to write it and you can just add it and you have to just enter it there, right? Here you no need to use calculator itself. This OpenOffice Calci itself will add it, or if it has so many options like calculator, it will do all the mathematical operations for you, right? If you are having a big calculation also, you can just give a formula, and in all the sequence it will do the same operation if you are just clicking a single click there, right? So this one we'll see in the next chapter. Okay, we'll see this OpenOffice Calci, the new, that's a new chapter, right? So we'll start about that in our next chapter. Make sure you read the OpenOffice writer before coming to learn about this OpenOffice Calci, right? So you won't find this OpenOffice Calci a difficult one. You can just study the calculation, and you can just work with this OpenOffice Calci. Okay. As I said you in the previous class itself, if you have laptop or computer in your home, you just download and install OpenOffice package and just work with the OpenOffice writer, right? If you are not having, you can just, when you're coming to school, you can just work in that OpenOffice writer. And next session, we will see about this OpenOffice Calci. Okay. Thank you for your valuable time. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye.